Hey everybody, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to be driving my Tesla Model 3 using hardware 3 running version 14 Lite. And today we got some pretty nice roads ahead of us. It's pretty open, pretty high speed, with some nice turns, nice bends, nice merges, and should be coming up on some heavy traffic as well. So if you guys are new to watching some Tesla, I know a lot of you guys were complaining on how I say Tesla. I say it Tesla. I just never really noticed that I've been saying it with like a Z. I don't know why, it just felt more natural to say it like that. I never really gave it much thought. I kind of just said it however I said it and just say it the way I hear people say it. And the people I know kind of say it like that. So I don't know, I guess we're all saying it wrong. But it's Tesla, not Tesla. I don't know why I've been saying it like with a Z. But if you guys are new to watching Tesla hardware 3 FSD videos, and you guys are just looking to buy one and maybe try out some of these older ones, and maybe subscribe to FSD in general, be sure to like and subscribe, because I post videos like this one literally every single day. So you guys will pretty much get a good experience, a good amount of information with how these systems kind of work, and you know how it might change your drive day to day. You know, I use this every single day, so I'm getting much more used to version 14 Lite. I was a lot more comfortable with version 12.6.4 just because I've been using it for about a year, so I kind of knew when it was going to be like unpredictable, when it was like going to panic or anything. But with version 14 Lite, I'm still figuring out like the quirks and everything. So yeah, it's been taking a little bit of getting used to, and in this video hopefully nothing goes wrong. And usually when I say that, almost like every part of the drive is pretty crazy, but today I don't expect to see much issues. So yeah, we're gonna see just how it could do these you know, normal driving situations. The roads are a little bit more open, so we wouldn't see much issues. Yeah, thanks for joining me on my drive. Light turns green. We are in chill mode. I'm going to switch to standard just so you guys know, like, just the default driving behavior. Most of you guys might be in chill, sloth, or maybe even hurry. So maybe standard might be the good middle ground. We are going roughly the speed limit, just a little bit over, but that's fine. 5 kilometers over is not too bad. Mostly everybody on the road kind of drives way over, so 5 kilometers is pretty fine as long as we're following kind of the flow of traffic and staying closer to the speed limit. Coming up to this red light, it slows down very smoothly, very nicely, and very predictably. So far this drive has been pretty nice, pretty comfortable, and no worries. My foot looks like it's on the accelerator, looks like it's pressing the accelerator, but I am not pressing the accelerator. It's just my seating position while I record videos. I sit a little bit further back, so it looks like my legs are stretched out to really be pushing the pedal, but I'm able to take over if necessary. I just sit a little further back than I normally do. So yeah, just to give you guys a better view of the car, and hopefully it is a better view of the car. Hopefully you like it like this. Car's a little messy today, guys, so just ignore. I kind of spilt a little bit of my drink on that door to the right, and I just didn't notice until I hit record, so we're kind of stuck in this. So yeah, just I know my car is a little messy today, guys. I apologize. Usually don't have my car this dirty, but we're just gonna focus on the drive for this video. There is a cop on the side of the road there. Hopefully there's nothing too crazy going on the roads here. We should be fine. A lot of you guys are giving your opinions on version 14 Lite. I know a lot of you guys own a Tesla, and you know, you guys been driving, you know, testing out the system. A lot of you guys been saying that it's actually worse than version 12.6.4, and that's pretty fair to say. I think version 14 Lite is a lot more of a, you know, new version, so it's obviously gonna have its issues. I'm just figuring out what's going on over there. I guess there's a lot of people going in. Looks like there's this is the horse track, so I don't know what's going on. Lots of people backed up over here trying to get in. That's one way of getting in. You could just go around all of it. I guess that CRV just didn't want to wait in that line. That's kind of funny. But so far this drive has been very smooth, very nice. It's perfectly centered in the lane. keeping a really good distance behind the car in front of us and maintaining, you know, the proper speed that it should be going in these kinds of roads. So yeah, pretty comfortable. And I just want to say thank you guys for all the love and support you guys are showing on the previous videos. If you guys are new to the channel, be sure to check out all my videos. I post videos literally every single day, just covering all kinds of driving situations and stuff. You guys can see the parking, you know, highway driving, local driving, traffic driving, and just kind of see how FSD really handles normal driving. So yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, if this is your first time seeing me, welcome. Yeah, hopefully my videos bring some sort of value to you guys. And we are going to be making a left at this this light, and this light is a pretty long light from my experience, so we might be here a little bit. And you can see on the screen, it could just see all the trucks, the buses, and just everything. It's just so cool how the camera could just see all that stuff. You can see the lights, see the car's brake lights and stuff. It's just pretty awesome. The light has gave us the advance, and we should be good to go. I'm not pressing the accelerator. The car gets up to speed, makes the left, and did all that very smoothly with some cars coming in to merge with us. We're going to be making a right shortly, so we should be getting into the right lane. I've been having a lot of navigation issues with FSD so far in version 14 Lite. Issues I've never really seen in 12.6.4. Well, towards the end of 12.6.4, it was giving me some issues. It would miss turns and miss exit ramp turns and stuff. I covered that in a previous video, or in the previous videos, and yeah, like I've been having a few of those issues. I haven't been seeing it on this drive so far. I'll let you guys know if it does miss the turns that it's supposed to take according to the GPS. And yeah, so far it's doing everything pretty right. This is a pretty good drive. I'm pretty comfortable with this drive so far. We're still going to need to get over to the right pretty soon, just in a kilometer. Maybe it's going to turn right now. It goes pretty slow on railway tracks. Let's see how it does. Slows down. Not too sure if it was for the tracks or for the car in front of us. Not too sure, but it's doing a good job so far. It's a pretty hot day today, guys. 32 Celsius. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. I know a lot of you guys are American. If you guys know the conversions, be sure to comment down that below, like, you know, the speed and you know, the what's it called, the temperature. That would be pretty cool. I don't know what it's like, or I don't know what the Fahrenheit conversion is, but 32 degrees Celsius, it is really hot. I got the AC blasting, kind of draining my range, but that's okay. I'd rather be comfortable. But we're going to be making our right lane change here. That was very smooth, very nice. No cars to our right there. We're going to be making our right at the light. Really see how version 14 Lite can make this right turn. Right turns have been pretty good. These are some busier streets, so we might see some issues. On its signal, coming to a nice stop here, slowing down, stops before the crosswalk perfectly. That was very nice. See all these beautiful flags there. Creeps over, not me. I'm not pressing the accelerator. It's creeping on its own, trying to get this pillar camera to see as much of the road as it can. Sees all these cars and it's just like, nah, I'm not gonna go. Yet lights turning yellow. We should be able to go now. Creeps over, still not pressing the accelerator, and it did all that very successfully on its own. That was very impressive. I actually really like that. That felt pretty similar to how I would have done it. Maybe I would have done it a little bit quicker, but that's okay. I think it did it very safely, very smoothly. No jitterness or anything. It wasn't like, you know, super nervous or anything. It was pretty perfect. This left lane here does Actually, wait, I think we're going down the street, actually. I thought we were gonna go straight, so I guess we'll see what he does here. Oh, it gets over to the right. Yeah, that left lane exits. I think I missed the turn here. We're gonna be making a left on this street, actually. And there we go. We make that left turn. That was very nice. The light turned yellow, but we were past a crosswalk, so we are pretty good right now. This drive has been pretty comfortable, pretty relaxing. Pretty much just kind of how I would have done it. Yeah, it was pretty human-like. Now we're doing some residential drives here, so you guys can see some stop sign behavior. This car's backing up. FSD didn't panic, nothing. Coming to a nice stop at this stop sign here. Very smooth, very nice. And yeah, it comes to 0 and then it starts accelerating. Version 12.6.4 was very, very bad at stop signs, especially when there was no cars. It would take so long to get through the stop sign and it would like go and stop and go and stop. But with version 14 Lite, they have improved stop signs, which is very impressive. I'm very happy with that. Stop signs were so annoying before with version 12.6.4. I would constantly have to press the accelerator, and yeah, it feels a lot more smooth, a lot more predictable. I'm not pressing the accelerator. Comes to a nice stop again, very smooth, very nice. Hits 0 and then goes. That was pretty much textbook. I really love that. That's very awesome. And yeah, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. You know, comment down below what you guys think about the drive. Was the drive very smooth, very nice? Is this how you want FSD version 14 Lite to react? And would you consider getting a Tesla or these older Teslas and you know, subscribe to FSD and use it for your day-to-day? How might it help you, and you know, will it make your drive a lot safer? Let me know in the comments down below. And thank you guys so much for joining me on my drive. Hope to see you guys in another video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe and have a great rest of your day. Bye.